going on, guys? Xsr Detroit here with another motovlog for you on the Xsr900. You know, ever since I got my Honda, I feel like I've been neglecting the Yamaha. But today's trip would be a bad trip for the Honda. I'm gonna be crossing the border into Canada. Gonna be visiting my buddy Dan. I mentioned Dan in a previous video. He's another XSR rider who unfortunately had an accident earlier in the year, and he's been in pretty rough shape, but he's improving. So I've got the day off. I figured why not go to Canada and visit my buddy. So we are on our way. I don't think I've ever crossed the border as an adult. As a kid, definitely went to Canada. If you grew up around here, if you live around the border, it's pretty common to hop over there when you turn 19 because you can drink and all that. I personally never did that. I just preferred just drinking at house parties locally, so I never made the trip over to Canada for the bars and strip clubs and all that. But today I will be crossing the bridge. A lot of people don't like crossing the Ambassador Bridge. It's kind of in it's in rough shape. Doing it on a bike, I've heard, can be an experience. So we're gonna find out, though. We're gonna find out. I'm feeling good. Had to get all my shit together as far as my passport and my vaccination card and all that jazz. So hopefully no bullshit at the border. But I guess there's always a possibility that I could get sent back home. So I don't know. We're gonna see. There she is, the city of Detroit. I've mentioned this in a few other videos. Detroit is a small city. Like, even if you compare it to Chicago or just other big cities across the country, but I think it gets a bad reputation. I think it just has a lot of the same problems like any big city. But I do spend quite a bit of time in the city, especially lately. Actually got engaged in February, and we just picked our venue, be in Ferndale, so right outside the city. We both my fiance and I were pretty adamant about getting married in Detroit, so feels really good. But I love it here. There's a lot to do, a lot to see, great museums, Belle Isle. Sports venues are pretty fantastic. Just went to Comerica last week to see Def Leppard, Motley Crue. Pretty good show. Motley Crue kind of sucked, honestly, but Def Leppard always brings it, so really, really cool. We had those tickets for like 3 years, and then the pandemic happened, so finally got to go to that show, which was pretty cool. Construction, you can always count on that in Detroit. Every year it seems like the same areas are under construction, and again. I don't know what our deal is. When I've traveled south, the roads are so much nicer than what we have here. And I get that, you know, they're not dealing with the Michigan winters like we have, but damn, man, the roads here are pretty trash. I guess that's why they're under perpetual construction. All right. No re-entry to the States this way, so we're here. You must have Arrive Can app. Yeah, that's the app I had to download to get all my shit together. You know, all my vaccination shit, and so I should be good. Credit card. Okay, fuck it. Canada. The Great White North. I wish I was Uh-oh. No walking, no motorcycles? That's a problem. Maybe I should go talk to somebody. Well, hopefully this isn't a big deal. Alright, so let's go to the duty free. Let's see what's up. Alright, let's go talk to these people and see what's going on. Bro, give me my keys.
Eventually.
Alright, so I talked to the ladies inside. They said I should be good, so I don't know. I really don't want to get stuck in Canada. That would fucking suck. Nothing against Canada or anything. I'm just saying it would be a total fucking headache. So they said I should be fine. I'm gonna go talk to the people up there, and if they turn me away, then it is what it is, man. I guess I'll have to go get the car. But the bridge is only like 15 minutes away from my house, so we're all good. I just don't understand, like, why would you have signs that say no bikes and then be like, yeah, no, it's fine. To Canada only. Okay, let's talk. Let's talk. See, they see the sign right there. What the fuck? Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good, good. Am I not able to go on the bridge?
Yeah, you can go on the bridge. Yeah, you're allowed to, yeah.
Okay.
It's 6 US or 8 Canadian.
Oh, okay, cool. So, what's with the no motorcycle signs?
I really don't know. People ask me that all the time, and I don't know why it's here. We allow motorcycles.
Oh, check my zippers. The Gucci. No walkers, no motorcyclists. I don't know. I don't know about that. Let's hope customs isn't a total fucking headache. Follow these vans. They seem to know where they're going. Oh, this is exciting. Should be interesting. Always good to have some new experiences on the bike. Favorite way to have them. Get a look at the train station. Pretty cool. Years and years and years ago, my friends and I went through that, went to the top. It's an incredible view. I think Ford and Google are the owners of it now, and they're turning it into like an office space or something. So that should be pretty cool. It's a historic building. Over the years, they've talked about restoring that building like a lot. Wow, what a view, man. What a view. This is so cool. Truck lanes. Okay, cars keep left. All right, I'm going by car rules. Here we are, the Ambassador Bridge. What a view, man. What a view. Trying to focus on the road. Yeah, this is nothing. I don't know why people freak out about this. Personally, bridges don't bother me. I don't know what it is. Oh, we are merging. Okie doke. I don't know why people get spooked out riding motorcycles on bridges. I mean, I guess I get it on paper, but I don't know. It just never bothered me. Here we go. I wonder if they're gonna search my bags and stuff. They might. I got the saddlebags on today. Man, that was nothing. Hello, Canada. It's your boy, Xsr Detroit here. I haven't seen any other motorcycles. Looks like they're doing some repairs to the bridge. Yeah, so there is a casino over here, another popular destination as far as Canada goes. No real motivation to go there. I'm not a big casino guy. It's weird. I don't like gambling that much, but I like the vibe of casinos. But in Detroit, we have like 3 pretty major casinos, so it kind of, for the most part, doesn't make sense, I guess, unless you're like, you know, a casino person and you want to experience it all. Open, yeah. The French. I shouldn't say that. That's kind of disrespectful. Perfect day to wear all black, man. This is sweltering. I took my helmet off and everything, my jacket, just to kind of relax, because this line was not moving for a bit there, and then it did. So I'm just waiting to do whatever I gotta do and make my way to the hospital.
You guys know, you take care.
Absolutely, man. You too. Alright, boys. We're in Canada. I don't know where this guy's going. That's it, boy. Alright, stay on 3, I think. that was easy. That was not bad at all. Didn't even get the bike searched. So that's good. Oh shit, you know what I just realized? I don't know like speed limits and stuff. Everything's in kilometers over here, right? I wonder if they have signs that also have miles per hour. I don't know. I guess I'll just go with traffic and we'll be all right. I don't want my phone to overheat, so I kind of don't want to pull up the traffic. 60 kilometers an hour. I have no idea what that is. I am a dumb American. All right, here we are. I see why Dan got in his accident. There's no regard for motorcycles. I wonder if there's a way for me to swap my speedometer over to kilometers. Probably, right? Man, get the fuck off my ass, dude. Yeah. Entrance, withdrawal management, renal. Okie dokie. Alright, here we are, the hospital. I think I'm gonna talk to you guys after I get out, because I have to figure out where I'm even going. So I will talk to you in a little bit. Alright, Canada, that's it for me today. Really good visit with Dan. He's doing really well, man. It was so nice just to see him and talk with him. Dan, if you're watching this, I'm really glad we got to hang out today. Hopefully get to hang out soon. Should be out of the hospital in a couple of weeks though, so that's definitely good. You look good. So really happy with that. So now it's time to make my way back to the States. There's the Ambassador Bridge. That looks pretty packed. Hopefully get through customs pretty fast. Alright, looks like we're good. Get to see the Detroit side of things this time around. Wow. What a view. Whoa. Holy shit. Wonder where these guys are going. This looks fun. Some ADVs. Ugh. You know what? This line is going a lot faster.
I need you to take the helmet off.
All right.
Please.
No problem. $6, not bad. Alright, well that went pretty smooth. A couple more questions on the way in, but hey man, I get it. but not bad at all as far as getting to and from Canada goes. Either way, guys, I am gonna call it a video at this point. Like I said before, really good to see Dan. He's doing really well, which I'm glad, man. I'm definitely glad. Going across the border was an easy experience, though, so I'm hoping, you know, when Dan gets another bike, we could go do some Canadian trips. He can show me around, show me what the Great White North is all about. But for me, that is gonna do it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.